Welcome to my channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Christopher, and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to watch my video. I do appreciate y'all. Y'all, today we're gonna unbox this really special bag that I just recently got. This is a Coach bag, and it's the twin Turnlock in the graffiti print that came out a while back. It became unavailable and I was unable to get it. I wound up getting it in the Love Leather print, and this is the bag that I have here in the Love Leather. It's the larger size of the twin Turnlocks. I think it's beautiful and stunning, and I just love it. But hopefully I'm gonna love the graffiti print that I really wanted originally even more. So if I do, this is gonna be for sale. I'm gonna sell it on vlog sale coming up, so y'all do stay tuned for that and look for the vlog sale. I'm gonna do a short so I can show you everything that I have available in my vlog sale, and then I'll actually do the vlog sale video shortly after that. So keep an eye out for that. And like I said, this bag hopefully will be available to y'all. It's just gonna have just the bag and the two hang tags though, not everything that I have on it style, but it is in brand new condition. I have carried it one time and it's perfect. It is still in pristine shape, just like it came from Coach. So if you would like to purchase this bag, do stay tuned and look out for that vlog sale. But we're gonna open up the new one today. It's the same size, but it's in that graffiti print, and it just became available on Amazon. So I got it on Amazon recently and it just came in the mail, so I wanna unbox it with y'all. Before I do that though, I do wanna say thanks to all my returning subscribers. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you love luxury handbags and fashion as much as I do, consider subscribing today by hitting that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. If you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I post high quality images sometimes of the stuff I review on my Instagram page. So definitely check those out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, go ahead and check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there, and you can also shop my Poshmark closet and Depop closet as well. The links are under that. So with all that being said, if everybody could just take a moment and give this video a like if you appreciate it, I do appreciate that. And don't forget to hype my video as well in the YouTube app. So let's go ahead, we're gonna get on with the unboxing of this beautiful graffiti print twin Turnlock. Now I just wanted to show y'all before we do that, this is the bag I'm currently in that I'm loving, and this is Coach large Rowan in this beautiful kind of a beige color signature print. I just love it, and I've got it styled here with my little penguin hang tag, and I've wrapped it with a tie here, Jerry Garcia tie, and I've got the dice that I just got. The dice were on sale here if you're interested. These dice, y'all, are so super heavy. But those charms were on sale on the Coach website for 50% off recently. They had a bunch more. And of course, I've got some personalized little hang tags there, and I have it wrapped with the belt as well, which I love that, okay? But that's the current bag that I'm in. I just wanted to share that with y'all. But let's go ahead, we're gonna unbox the twin Turnlock now and see how it looks, and hopefully everything's gonna be good with it so I can sell the other twin Turnlock. All right, so it came in an Amazon box, of course, so let's get into it and see if this bag is right, because you never know when you're getting these bags online what's gonna happen. So I'm hoping that everything's gonna be good with this one, please. I was just excited to be able to see that it was back in stock. I was really shocked actually when I saw that it was back in stock. The small one is still available, but the large one wasn't available for a long time. And the other twin lock in that large Love Leather is sold out. There's no more, so if you wanna get it, it's a really great deal. I just wanna get my cost back for it. And that's really pretty much it. That, and if you need to have it shipped, I would have to charge for the shipping, so. All right, y'all, let's get into this unboxing here. Here it is in the box. All right, that's how it came from Amazon. You know, Amazon sells Coach now, if you didn't know. All right, let's get it out of the box here and see how it's packaged. It looks like it's pretty good. I was kind of shocked because I was like thinking, oh, it's a small box that it came in, but it does look like the right size. I was just hoping that they didn't make a mistake and actually send me the smaller size because I want the big one. All right, I've got some scissors here. Let me cut into this. Oh, here's an opening, never mind. All right, let's get the bag out here and see how she looks. All right, of course it's all wrapped up here. Let me unwrap it and we'll get into it. All right, y'all, here it is. Oh, I'm so happy that I got this bag. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Y'all, this is what I originally wanted in this bag. So like I said, I don't need two of them, so I'm just gonna have to probably part with my other one, even though it is beautiful. But I like graffiti stuff, so this print is right up my alley here, and I'm so glad that I was able to get it on Amazon. Let me get all of the packaging and everything off of it, and I'm gonna show y'all some details of this bag. All right, y'all, I was able to get all of the packaging off of it. Look how beautiful she is. It did come with this dust bag. Y'all know how I feel about a dust bag on this channel. It's just a damn dust bag. All right, y'all, look at this beautiful twin turn lock. And like I said, this is the larger size. It is available in a size 20. I don't know the measurements on this one. I just know it's the larger size because I like a larger bag usually. So let me just show you a little spin here of this bag, and I'll go over some details up close with you on it. But I love this bag, and the other one was really beautiful to style out. So it's a really pretty bag. This one has the little 2 hang tags on it, and I'll go over those with you in a minute. But it does have the feed on the bottom as well there, so you have feed, which I love. And I also love on this bag that it has such a big chunky zipper on the top here. It's just a big chunky, and the zipper, the whole thing is big and chunky. I like that. So definitely to me, more of a masculine bag for sure. So I love this. And like I said, the graffiti to me is gonna be perfect for me. I just think it's stunning. Love the 2 little pockets on the front with the little turn locks there. They're really nice. All right, so that is the 360 of this bag. Let's go in and I'm gonna show you some close-up details on it. All right, y'all, let's go in close on this bag and let me show you the details on it. There are your 2 hang tags there, as you can see, and the twin turn locks on the front. Very nice. Let me open one of these up so you can see the interior pocket here. So there is your interior pocket, and there is the lining on the inside of that. It is leather lined, and it also has the graffiti down on the inside of that pocket there, so it's very nice. All right, I love the little turn locks. The other pocket is just the same on there. Let's go in a little closer so you can see that graffiti print. Just love it. And then there is your chunky zipper pull on there on the side. Get this price tag out of the way. All right, so there is the background print. So nice, just love it. And there is the other side of it up close. All right, and let's go down to the top here. Look at the print on the top of it there. Very, very nice. And let's open it up here and I'll show you the inside of it. Super nice zipper. And let me show you the interior. The interior is kind of a neutral color, as you can see here, but I love that. And then you have a slip pocket here that snaps together. And here is your journey patch on the bag. So very, very nice. And then I was gonna tell you too, on this hang tag on the front, let me just read it to you. So there's 2 hang tags on here. You have one that's in the graffiti print here, which is very nice on both sides. Then you have your coach tag here, and it actually says, the twin turn lock bag, limited re-edition 1968. So those are your 2 hang tags on this bag, but I just love it. And of course your handles, they're very nice too. And you have the 2 handles. One side is the graffiti print and the other is the neutral color. So it's a beautiful, beautiful bag. I love it. And I'm so happy I was able to get this one finally. I was really shocked that it came back in stock. So thank you, Coach, for that. And thanks, Amazon. But I was glad I got to pick up on this bag, and I will definitely keep this one in my collection. It will not be going anywhere. But I do have the other one here, the other twin turn lock in the Love Leather. So if anybody wants to pick up on this bag here, it will be available. Or if you want to contact me at madhatterbags@gmail.com, pre-sale, I will go ahead and let you get it. Just let me know and I'll give you the details on payment and everything like that. But this bag is stunning. I love it so much. Let me show you what it looks like in some mod shots here. All right, y'all, here she is. Look how beautiful. What do y'all think? Did I make the right decision on exchanging this one out with the Love Leather one? Is this one more me? I think it is. Y'all tell me what you think. I love that the straps on here feel so comfortable when you carry it like this. Like you don't even really feel like you have a bag on your shoulder at all. So it's very comfortable, and then you can just tuck it under your arm. It's very soft and supple, so it's very nice and comfortable under your arm. But I just love a graffiti print, and I'm partial to this because I guess I'm just a child of the 80s, but I love it. I think it's super cool, and I hope that Coach continues to come out with bags like this in the future. But she is adorable. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much. Y'all don't forget to comment on this bag and let me know what you think. Did I make the right decision here? I think I did. I love it. All right, y'all, so that is my review and unboxing on this beautiful Coach twin turn lock and this beautiful graffiti print. I'm so happy that I was able to get it from Amazon and it came back in stock finally. I love my Love Leather one, but I am happy to let another collector get it. All I'm asking for is the cost that I paid for it plus shipping. So y'all go ahead and let me know if you're interested in that bag, or look for it on my upcoming vlog sale. With that being said, thank you so much for watching my unboxing and review of this twin turn lock. I do appreciate that. Y'all don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and give this video a like on your way out. I do appreciate y'all. And y'all, I'll see y'all on my next video. Don't forget to look out for that vlog sale, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.